Hey guys, here I am again, Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair. And this time we're demonstrating, you know what, I need to get some information. I will be right back, sorry. Alright, I had to get his paperwork. Okay, this unit comes from Will in West Jordan, Utah. It's an aftermarket unit. Will had originally sent me his original radio, and it just was not a good candidate for conversion. It was pretty much on its last leg. Things were falling apart. So he sent me this NOS radio, NOS new old stock, never been used, never been installed, and this will be kind of a testament to if you purchase an NOS unit, don't expect it to be in perfect working order. For one thing, the motor's 40, 50 years old, so it's sitting in the same position. The belt's been in the same position for the same, for a number of years, and it's pre-farmed and probably needs replacement. Motor may be really noisy. We got lucky on this one. The motor's pretty quiet, but there's a little distributor inside. If the unit has track indicator lamps, there's a little distributor that works pretty much just like a car distributor. As it changes tracks, it rotates and changes the voltage to different lamps. Well, that distributor was completely disintegrated. The first time I went to change tracks, the thing just fell apart. So we don't have track indicator lamps, which is not a real big deal because the original factory units don't have them either. So just wanted to let you know about that before we turn it on. So I've got it set to AM at the moment. This customer has requested the modern internal conversion for a huge amount of output power because we're going with a new harness. He's also requested the Bluetooth feature. So let's go ahead and make sure everything works before we send her back. I've got it set to AM at the moment, to the one strong station I get in my area.
The Prescott Valley Transmissions.
And we will demonstrate our balance and fader functions during talk radio.
Who knows safety isn't a catchphrase, it's a culture.
So, original balance control, left,
everyone makes it home
right,
safe.
left,
For the safety-minded,
right,
to watch everyone's backs. Granger offers supplies.
Okay, and now we also have a front rear fader that we're going to use the tone control to activate and adjust. Let's try that.
And your people safer.
Fader adjust.
Okay, so now this same knob is adjusting our front, rear, front, rear.
Pieces here.
Okay, I'm going to center them.
I love them, but I'm worried about my stomach.
Fader set. Alrighty, let's move. Let's make sure the Bluetooth goes into pairing mode.
Bluetooth ready to pair.
Okay, so you heard that. Okay, let's move over to FM, and I have all 5 presets set to stations in my area for a quick test. So now we're on FM.
Thirdly, you got to believe what
About that with this verse here. But they went to the Stanley Cup last year.
Alrighty, let's try the 8-track. Pull the tape out and the radio comes back, and then the dial light comes on with the radio, so there won't be a separate dial light wire in the harness because it's designed to come on when you turn the radio on. So that takes care of that, and I'm ready to pack these units and get them off to the post office, get them back to the customer on time. I'm Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio up here. To reach me for service, please visit the website that's in the description below, and please download and print the work order before calling me with a bunch of questions about my options, prices, and turn times, because that's all in the work order, and you can get that information before calling me because I need to be on the bench as much as possible. That's where the work actually gets done. So 15 minutes on the phone explaining the same things over and over to each new customer just doesn't work anymore. So I do ask that you visit my website and download and print the work order before calling me with questions. After that, I'm happy to talk to you. So thanks so much for watching, listening, and thank you, Will, for your business all the way from Utah, and we'll see you next time.